this is Sahi. In this episode, unboxing Lady Raga bag. I just received my Lady Raga bag and now I'm going to unbox it and see which color bag do I get. Actually, I wish for the red bag. Really, I love red bag. So now let me see what is there, which color, either red, green or blue. I hope for the red really. So let me cut open. Wow! It's really the red color bag. Here we go. I love this. So this is red Santa Claus bag. So the cloth is velvety but the quality is bad, not that good compared to all the bags of Lady Raga. So you can see here how cute it is. We can make it part of Christmas celebrations. So this is super cool. Let me open this. Here we go. Let us see what are there in this Santa Claus bag, what Santa of Lady Raga sent us. So let me see. First thing I got here is the info card. I can see from this we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So including the surprise gifts, we have 5 products in this. So first thing is Nimli Natural. So let me see. Yes, I got it. So this is from Nimli Naturals. So this is all natural tinted lip balm, both for 50 bucks. The same lip balm from the same brand I have received from Amazon box too. So here we go. So I got the 2. So I'm going to give away this for someone because I already opened this. So if you want me to give the swatch, I already opened this. So I'll give from this. So here you can see I already opened and I used it. Let me give the swatch. Here we go. See that dark red clay tinted one. So this is the first product and it is 100% natural and it costs you 450 bucks. Now let us see the second one. Here we go. I can see it as a necklace. This is a neck piece. So let me show you. So again one more card. Open it. So the red bag consists of this red neck piece. So this is around the gold necklace, worth 575 bucks. So this is very beautiful neck piece. You can use on your western wear. So this suits very well. So this is the second product. Moving on to the third one. Here we go. The third product. I guess this is a nail polish. Yes. Here we go. Wow, this is from Steak Worky. So this is Steak Worky nail polish, worth 165 bucks, and I love this color. Really, the swatch, I couldn't resist myself. This is actually pinkish shade. Let me try on. So you can see here I kept only on 3 fingers. I'll do it later for the 2. So I have coated just 1 coating and you can see this. So this is pink and violet hue. So this is super cool and I love this. And moving on to our next product. Here we go. We got this, what is this? Eco Fresh Wash Hand and Body Wash. So this is a sample product. Let me open this. So here we go. This is Eco Fresh Face and Body Wash. This is a sample product. This is of 15 ml and this 15 ml sample travel pack costs you 69 bucks. So this is the final product. So we got altogether 4 products in this month's Lady Raga bag. And moving on to the surprise gifts, we have 2 surprise gifts. They have said double surprises. I have already seen in some of my friends' bags. They got 2 surprise gifts, one as sharpener and one as pencil. And now let us see what I have received. We also got the same thing, 1 pencil and 1 sharpener. This sharpener is a jumbo sharpener for sharpening your jumbo pencils, which you do not get with the pencils when you buy. So let me open this. So here we go. Here is a hard candy jumbo pencil sharpener. So this is the first surprise gift and let us see the second one. So second one obviously is a pencil, but let me open what exactly this is. Right guys, here is our second surprise gift. It has taken me almost 10 minutes to open this. I even sweat. It's too hard packing really. So this is Maybelline Cool Effect Cooling Eyeshadow or Liner. You can see this. So this is in the shade Midnight Chill 22. So this is eyeliner cum eyeshadow. So now let me give you a swatch. So you can see this. This is looking like black, but this is neither black nor blue. This is of the same color what the cap look like. So this is Midnight Chill eyeliner cum eyeshadow from Maybelline. So these two are the surprise gifts which we have received in this month's Lady Gaga bag. So coming to my favorite product in this bag, obviously the Stay Quirky nail polish. This hue is so cool, and this Santa Claus red bag, though the quality is not so good, but I love this bag. So these two are my favorite things in this Lady Gaga bag. Hope you like this unboxing and review video. If you like this video, please do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel because your subscription really means a lot for me. Right guys, see you in my next episode. Till then, take care. Adios.